I sweep the floor every morning. I sweep the floor every morning.
I mop the kitchen floor after breakfast. I mop the kitchen floor after breakfast.
I wipe the table after eating. I wipe the table after eating.
I wash the dishes in the sink. I wash the dishes in the sink. I dry the dishes with a towel. I dry the dishes with a towel.
I take out the trash every day. I clean the bathroom. On Saturdays,
I scrub the toilet with a brush. I wipe the mirror in the bathroom.
I vacuum the living room. Carpet.
I dust the shelves with a cloth. I dust the shelves with a cloth. I organize my closet every weekend.
I fold my clothes neatly.
I put my shoes in the right place.
I wash my clothes in the washing machine.
I
Wash my clothes in the washing machine.
I hang my clothes to dry outside. I hang my clothes to dry outside. I iron my shirt before work. I iron my shirt before work.
I clean the windows every month. I clean the windows every month.
I water the plants in the living room. I water the plants in the living room.
I throw away old things I do not need. I tidy up the kitchen after cooking.
I put the groceries away in the fridge. I change my bed sheets every week. I clean under the bed carefully.
My home is clean and I feel happy.